Ellen McCauley had prayed up. We're talking about accepting our pain. It will hurt less. Pain plus resistance is more suffering. If we, one of the things when I went to physical therapy, when my back hurt, he said, you got to move more. I said, but it hurts. And it does help more. When I go to the gym and I do my silver sneakers class, my back doesn't hurt at all when I'm done. Also, I look at my friend who had to go to St. Camillus because her MS was so bad. She could be miserable. People could avoid her like the plague. Instead, she shines the light of Christ. She accepted what happened to her, and now she's a beacon of hope and love in an environment that needs it so desperately. Oh, if I could only be that wonderful. If I could only lead that kind of a Christ-like life. Also, accept who you are. Accept your authentic self. I'm a very outgoing person, but I'm also a homebody. I like being home. I like being in my nightgown. I like it. That's one of my favorite things in the world. Also, accept your current reality, and we can all say it right now. It is what it is. Let's say it together, everyone. It is what it is. I weigh what I weigh. This is my life. I'm going to find some stinking joy if it kills me. Okay? Also, we pay attention to how we feel, and we treat ourselves like we would treat other people. Why are we so mean to ourselves? We plan for a better future. We try to have supportive friends. And a couple people say to me, Ellen, I live alone, my husband's gone, and my entertainment's going out to lunch and dinner with my friends. You can still do that and eat healthy. Why do we think that every single time we go out, it's a treat? It can't be a treat. It can be a treat if you do it once a year. Then you have filet mignon and fried scallops and everything under the sun. But if you're going out 5 times a week, it's not a treat. I put in, this is my new thing, Bob and I are not going to put in one recipe that we haven't eaten ourselves. We had the 0 point slightly spicy chicken chili. We wanted to marry it, have children with it, and grow old with it. That's how good it was. We put a little taco seasoning in it. It was just great. We also had the slow cooker green chicken. Again, it was delicious. I'm going to stop right there, Bobby. This is a beautiful song. It's